as well who is watching my channel. So if you are new here, hi, this is Batul Diwan. I am passionate to work for women and guide them and help them to do inner work on themselves for uplifting their mental health, for uplifting their personality, for uplifting their career, for uplifting their in general life, their relationships, their happiness, and every area of their life. So everything starts with working on yourself, on your core. And when you work on your core, your internal state, your internal state, your inner happiness, your inner peace, your stress, anxiety, not just that, but also your outer areas of your life, for example, your career, your relationships, and your travel, your lifestyle, and the way you show up, the way your opportunities, the way your experiences enhances, everything starts shifting, and it starts with your internal states. So hi, this is Batul Diwan, and I'm passionate to work for women and help them in all these areas of your life. If you are stuck, you feel struggled, you feel lonely, you feel that there is something in your relationship you're not happy with, and you feel maybe in your career you're not growing because you're not able to speak up for yourself, or you in general think that there is something you are longing for and you're not able to do in your life, there's something you are passionate, you want to live a life of significance, but you're not able to do that because of some blockages, some traumas which you don't even know, I am here to help you. And for that, I'll leave a link in the description box to join my WhatsApp community where I am working with like minded, growth oriented women up close, and I ask them for what kind of topic they want to hear on. And I am also working on developing few courses which will be very relevant to all these areas of life for you. So I would highly recommend and I would invite you to join that WhatsApp community. And if a male and you are also wanting to talk to me and you want to share something which is really in your heart and you want a solution out of it, not just a male, all my female viewers as well, then I'll also leave a link in the description box for booking a free one-on-one clarity call with me. You can come on the call with me and we will discuss what are your problems and how can we solve them by curated customized solutions for it. So if you are listening some quack 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 voice noise, so I am just doing live stream near this pond, and ducks are swimming here. They're looking lovely. I wish I would have shown you. Maybe they'll swim and they'll come this side so you can see them. So mostly whenever I'm doing live stream they come here. So anyways, coming to the topic, today's topic of discussion is around building an hour of power. So what is hour of power? Hour of power means building a routine for yourself which is just dedicated for you. 1 hour of a day dedicated just for you. Yes, my women, I am really wanting, this is really in my heart, and I want all you all to start doing this, because in today's era it is not an option, it is essential. So what is that hour of power, and preferably when should you do it, and what are its benefits? Everything I am going to speak about today. I think this is the most heard advices you all must have listened to all around internet in today's era, and it is not just random. Actually, in today's times it is very much needed, given to the stress driven life, given to the fast paced life, and given to the stimulation we are getting exposed to, and our brain is constantly working. We require 1 hour of a day to calm ourselves down. So I've already talked about these subjects a little bit previously on my channel, and I'll link somewhere in the description box, or I'll link somewhere here those videos. But today what I want to talk about is, I have got my notes. Today what I want to talk about is how you can set a routine around it. And what do I mean by an hour of power? First thing in the morning, when you wake up, set a routine around it, that is 1 hour of your day which is dedicated to yourself. Okay? preferably when you wake up. Because why I say that, because researchers suggest that when we wake up, our brains are in calmer state, our brains are in alpha wave states, alpha wave frequency states. So if we can utilize that time, we can really leverage on those opportunities when our brain is calmer. And a lot of functionings inside our body, inside our brain, inside our mind can be improved. A lot of rewiring of brain, a lot of program shifts can be done. Now I would not go into detail in all of that, but I would just today talk about how you can start building a routine around it and what that routine can be. Okay. As I told you that I've already talked about this subject, and I'll leave the link here on meditation, that how I do my meditation and how you can also do some very simple meditation when you wake up in the morning. That But first thing in the morning when you wake up, what you should do, first thing that is non-negotiable for every one of us in today's time is not checking your phone, not checking your laptop. Because when we start our day by checking our phone, checking our laptop, maybe taking some phone calls or doing some phone calls, what we are doing is we are again stimulating our brain, and we are again going into stress experience stimulation mode, where all the outer things, outer people, outer circumstances get associated with us, and they start stimulating us, and we again go back in that loop. We don't give our brain the chance to relax, although we have slept overnight, but our brain never sleeps. So we need to consciously give some time to calm down our brain, and that is the time when we just wake up. First thing, first hour of the morning is really, really crucial. So do not start your day with checking your mobile or laptop. Okay. It makes you again go into the rush and the stress mode, and it associates with all the things you need to do in the throughout the entire day, what relationship challenges you are going, whatever struggles you are going through, you go again into that loop, and you don't give yourself chance to create a new reality for yourself. So instead, decide a ritual for yourself, that what you are going to do in that first 1 hour. And uh, if you are a working mom, and you are a new mom, or you have a lot of responsibilities, that in morning you have to wake up, you have to cook, you have to maybe make your children ready, maybe you have to set them to school, you have to then cook, and you have to yourself get out of home and rush for your office. I understand you might say that I don't have time, or my child is really small and all my time goes there, so I don't get time in the morning. So what I would recommend for women like you is, and if you are a male viewer as well, everything applies for you also, but since this is more about women, I love to talk about women, that's why I'm addressing women here, but everything applies for you as well. So what you can do here, my women, is start waking up just 15 minutes before your usual time. Only 15 minutes. You don't have to go really overboard, and you don't have to drastically change your routine. Just 15 minutes before your normal waking up time, and dedicate only maybe 10 minutes. So first 15 minutes, 5 minutes, you just wake up, you just maybe you want to brush your teeth or something, and then 10 minutes you just sit with yourself, sit in silence. So this second part of that routine. First, not checking your mobile, not checking your laptop. Second, sit in silence only for 10 minutes. Of course, if you are not a beginner, you can increase that duration, and I would highly recommend to increase that duration. And there is a saying, I'm not remembering who said that which goes like this: if you are a very busy person and you don't have time for yourself, then you should definitely sit for 1 hour with yourself. Because when you don't have time for yourself, and you are constantly stimulated, constantly burdened in stress, then this 1 hour is absolutely crucial for you. But if you don't have, you can say that I how to build that 1 hour all of a sudden. Start with only 10 minutes. Start waking up just 15 minutes before your usual waking up time, and dedicate 10 minutes to sit in silence or sit in meditation. How you can do that meditation? I will link the YouTube video which I have created, that how I do my meditation, and you can go back and see that it is really simple. Anyone can do it. It is absolutely beginner friendly. Okay, so yeah, what I want to say is, um, go really slow. You don't have to rush. You have to first 15 days or first 20 days just start waking up 15 minutes before and dedicate that 10 minutes. That is it. And then gradually you can build your routine around it. Okay, so don't rush into it, because rushing do not make a routine consistent and sustainable. And all we want is consistent sustainable actions that can only lead to some kind of change in uh, some kind of tangible change, some kind of results. So now I would like to talk about what I do. And this is again, it goes similar what I am saying, that I did not build that routine overnight and one day I started waking up ki aaj se main, from today I'll just start waking up and I'll dedicate this 1 hour for myself. No, I started doing it very gradually. And today there is a complete routine which I follow, which is first I wake up and then I listen to some gratitude audio of one of my mentors, and that gratitude audio uh, sets up some kind of you know intentions inside me, that the world is beautiful, I have beautiful relationships, and there are so many things to be grateful about, because oftentimes we hear and we know about gratitude, but we forget to really practice it in day-to-day basis. So I listen to the gratitude audio, and then I uh, start my day with drinking 2 glasses of lukewarm water, and then I play meditation, calming meditation music, and I sit with myself in silence for at least 30 minutes. The 30 minutes is not always 30 minutes. Sometimes it is only 10 minutes, sometimes it's 15 minutes, sometimes it's 30 minutes. Sometimes when I have ample time, it might go to 40 minutes, it can go to 1 hour as well. Depends on time, but at least 10 minutes I definitely do. And what I do in that, I do breath work, I do contemplations over my own actions, over my patterns, over my behavior. I question myself for something I did previous day, and why is it so, and how I can improve. And I do deep inner work by monitoring my patterns and asking questions and giving myself alternatives. So it is really deep, and I promise I'm going to make video on that, and I'm going to make lot of very interesting courses on that, which is coming up very soon, and I'll put it on my website. So stay tuned for such kind of content. So I do that, and of course I also do, if there is something in my heart and I'm really disturbed because of some kind of relationship or some kind of turmoil in any challenges around me, I practice forgiveness, and I practice sending energetic forgiveness and love to the other person, whoever is involved in that kind of conflict, and it really works. And nowadays I am trying to do some kind of new breathwork techniques I'm practicing, and I am trying to send blessings and energy to my energy centers. In Hindi we call it chakras, and they are very scientific, they are very much real, and opening them up and clearing them up can lead to a lot of clearance in blockages in many areas of our life, which shows up in a physical world. So I am nowadays doing that. And then what I do is, after my meditation I do 10 to 15 minutes of exercise, not every day but at least 2 to 3 times a week. And after that I write my goals and tasks for the day, which really structures me and sets me with a clarity that what I need to achieve throughout the day. So I start with calming myself, calming my mind, connecting myself. Also during my meditation time I connect with God, I pray, and I draw energy from them, I surrender. So which gives me a lot of safety, which gives me a lot of reliability, which tells me that I'm not alone throughout the day. And I couple it with goal writing, I couple it with gratitude, which sets up a kind of clear vision that what I want to achieve, and I stay in tune with what I want to do. From past few days, I'm not able to do everything because of lot of travels, but this is what I usually do, and this has increased lot of productivity efficiency in me. And not just that, I would like to now throw light on how it can help you in your physical states as well. So I've written it down. I feel more You can feel more calm, happy, stress free. You will feel protected and safe because you feel more connected to the divine, to universe, to whoever you believe in. You will feel a different sense of connection with a higher power, and you'll feel that you are not just alone, and you are not just everything. There is something beyond you, someone beyond you. And a lot of downloading can happen because of that connection. And I always feel supported, and you can also start feeling a lot supported when you start doing these kind of things. And also, this slowly strengthens your faith in a higher. This improves mental health, it reduces lot of anxiety, and it improves a lot of physical health, physical symptoms. And one example I'll give is a lot of improvement in my physical health, which came in the form of relieving my asthmatic condition. And once I was really asthmatic, and continuous breath work actually uh, gradually brought me to a situation that now I go for trekking, I go for hikes, but I don't feel exhausted, and I don't feel that my stamina is going down, and I'm not panting and palpitating. I feel energetic throughout, a lot because of this breath work which I do coupled with my meditation. So this is health effect also, along with the mental and psychological and psyche inner effects which you get out of this 1 hour routine of your day, which includes at least 10 minutes of silence. So I would really encourage you to start from today, because it is absolutely essential in today's time. And if you need any support around consistency, how to build consistency around the routine, let me know. I'm definitely going to make a video around this topic as well. So that's all for today, and I hope you are going to follow and start this routine. And let me know in the comments, how did you find this video? If you like it, please like it, share with people you think this might help, and I'm sure there might be definitely people and women who will find this helpful. And subscribe my channel for more such content, because I'm coming up with a lot of interesting content around inner work for every area of your life, for improving and up leveling in your life, and in general creating a dream life. And subscribe my channel also to help me reach out to more people. All right, so that's all for today. My name is Batul, and thank you so much for watching.